Good morning, everyone. This is Ed Kiefer bringing you another Lux highlight. We had a comment on YouTube that said, hey, for those of us that are not able to make the meet and greet, show us the inside of the units that you have there. Great comment. Great question. So that's what we're going to do this morning. This is our front living floor plan. It's a 44 FL. And there's someone in there, so I'll be back. We're going to go to the next one. This is where you would register when you come in. There's some people there registering now. And Melissa will greet you with a smile. So we're going to go into the 42 MD. This is a Lux Elite. It comes standard with the MORryde suspension and the MORryde hitch pin, all automotive disc brakes. So many of you have already seen our MDs, but this is really beautiful. The beachfront interior with the dark countertops. Marcos is in there touching up some things. He's doing a great job for us.
The doors are all ready and the house is ready too, man.
Excellent, thank you. So we come through here. This is a bathroom, of course. Beautiful bedroom. All of our units come standard with a king size bed. You can option a queen size, which would give you larger storage and larger nightstands on either side. So that is an option. Okay, let's go to the next one. So this is our Lux Gold. It has a MORryde pull-out tray in the basement. This one is actually sold, but they've done some really nice things inside. Oh, and there's Marcos again. So this is a 38 GFB. We have all the lights on. Beautiful attic storage, lots of attic storage in this one. The beachfront interior, and they have optioned with a farm sink. This has a half bath in it, very similar to our 39 FB. The bathroom in the front is a little different. This has dual sinks in it. So let's go in the bathroom up here. There's the dual sinks and positioned washer and dryer into the cap area. This is a very large bathroom, very preferred by a lot of our customers. So let's go into the next one. The next one is a 48 FB toy hauler. And of course, all of our units are constructed with the same construction methods. This one has been upfitted. This is an option Gen Y hitch. Very beefy, gives it a lot more beef in the hitch pin area. You can find out more about that on our YouTube channel. We have a little video about that. And I'm following Marcos around everywhere. So he's checking out all the units, making sure everything is working properly. This is a very spacious interior for a toy hauler with huge opposing slides. L-shaped couch. You can do a number of things inside this space. People have put recliners in the dinette area. People have put a desk there or theater seating. The garage area This is sealed off with a vacuum sealed door. But this is a 16-foot garage, and they've optioned, or we have optioned, this is an open unit that is available for purchase. So we've got a half bath here. Yeah, Marco says he can't even hear me through this vacuum sealed door. It's very private situation. And so this one here has a MORI tent. This is another option, kind of cool. Gives you some more space in the rear. Fun for kids. Also have a loft area up top for another sleeping or storage. So we go into the bedroom area. Nice bathroom. It has a great tub in there. I'm 6 foot and I can easily fit in that tub. It has a skylight, nice height. Bedroom also with a king bed. And your washer and dryer area. It has a pull-out TV. This actually recesses into the wall. You can slide it in and out. So hey, there we have it. This is our meet and greet. Day, actually let's see, we were here Tuesday, Wednesday. This is our 3rd day that we've been open. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. If you want to know more information, get on our website at luxfifthwheel.com and have a great day.